Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find the link in bio on Instagram. All right. So to find the link in bio on Instagram, just basically go to the user's main profile. Let's say you've watched this video and this content creator says, go ahead and check the link in the bio. All right. So you'll need to go ahead and tap on their profile. And then once done, the links will be right here. So it will say, or it might be truncated right here, but don't worry. Just tap on the link and then you'll be able to see all of the links that is tied. All right. So for example, body cam, this game right here, or Discord. All right. So all you got to do is just tap on one link and it will automatically open up your browser. Well, you can just log in, download the app, buy the promotion or whatever the creators have set up their link. All right. And that's basically it. That's how easy it is to find the link in bio on Instagram. Now, Instagram deliberately disables hyperlinks inside standard posts. Like when you go ahead and open up this video, you might see some links, but you won't be able to click on it. As well as the comment section, you won't be able to click on links. This is to prevent spams and keep users inside the app. So when the creator says link in bio in the caption, they are redirecting you back to their primary landing page, which is their profile right here. And again, that is how you find link in bio on Instagram. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.